Now look at this sample Jamb 2025 question here. Okay, we have number 8 here. We are told that if log of 2 to base 10 is equals to x, we have to express log of 12.5 to base 10 in terms of x. That means x should be in your answer. The first thing to do is to break down log of 12.5 to base 10. So you just write log 12.5 to base 10. We're going to break this down. 12.5 is the same thing as 125 divided by 10. Okay, so we cut with 5 in 10, that will give us 2. 5 in 125, that will give us 25. So we have 25 over 2. So we can now write this as log of 10, 25 divided by 2. Now in your logarithms, this is divide here. Divide means minus, right? So you're going to write log of 10, 25. This divide here becomes minus. Then you write log of 10, 2. Then the next thing to do, let's break down 25 now. 25 is 5 raised to the power 2, right? So you're going to write log of 10, 5 raised to the power 2 minus log of 10, log of 2 to base 10. As you can see from the question, log of 2 to base 10 is x. So you can just write x here. If you write x here, you're not wrong. Just write x here. So bring this 2 forward here. There's a law in logarithm that says that if you have log of p raised to the power m, you can bring this m to this front here. So you're going to have m log p. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing here. Bring this 2 to this part here. That will be 2 log of 10, 5 minus x. This should be the final answer. But if you check the option, you will not see it there. There's nothing like that there. So there's another thing you're going to do. You're going to break down 5. Okay, break down 5. 5 is the same thing as 10 over 2. Break it in form of the base. So you're going to write 2 log of 10. Don't write 5 anymore. Write 10 over 2 there. Okay, then here you have minus x. Then your normal logarithm, divide this minus, right? So you have 2 log of 10. Okay, 10 minus log 10, 2. Then this x will be outside here. Now log of 10 to base 10 is 1. Log of a number to that same number, for example, log of 5 to base 5 is 1. So everything here is 1. Just write the same thing. Everything here too is 1. So you're going to write 2 into 1 minus log of 2 to base 10. From the question, it is x. You're going to write x here. Then minus another x here. Then just expand this. You're going to have 2 minus 2 times x. Then minus x outside. At the end of the day, take like terms. You're going to have 2 minus 3x. So this is the simplification of that question. So the answer is 2 minus 3x. So let's check the option. So if you check the options, you see that the answer is option B. That's 2 minus 3x. If you want to see more tips like this, click the subscribe button and follow EduMath Hub. Thank you for watching.